This is the proposed cost estimation for this three-bedroom bungalow designed for comfort, functionality, and modern living in Rivers State, Nigeria, 2026. The building measures 15 meters by 12 meters, giving a total floor area of 180 square meters. The type of foundation is part foundation. The entrance porch is 10 feet by 7 feet. The kitchen veranda is 8 feet by 4 feet. The anteroom or small parlor is 8 feet by 5 feet with a toilet of 3 feet by 7 feet. The living room is 16 feet by 12 feet and the dining room is 12 feet by 8 feet. The kitchen is 10 feet by 12 feet with a store of 10 feet by 3 feet. The first room is 12 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 8 feet by 5 feet. The second room is 12 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 8 feet by 5 feet. And the third room is 12 feet by 12 feet with a bathroom of 8 feet by 5 feet. All rooms are ensuite, fitted with wardrobes, ensuring both privacy and convenience. For the foundation level, using 5 coach of block, you need 40 bags of cement, 1 trip of sand, 6 tons of chippings, 1,200 blocks, 10 lengths of iron rods and labor, bringing the total cost of the foundation to 2.7 million naira. This stage forms the backbone of the building, ensuring strength and long-term stability. Next, for the sand filling, you need 1 million naira to buy 6 strips of sand, including labor. This process ensures proper leveling, compaction, and provides a base for the DPC works. For the DPC works, also known as German floor, with plain beam or chaining beam, you need 25 lengths of iron rods, 4 rolls of BROC, 1 roll of DPM nylon, 80 bags of cement, 2 trips of sand, and 15 tons of chippings, bringing the total cost, including workmanship, to 2.5 billion naira for the DPC. This phase is critical in preventing moisture penetration and enhancing durability. Moving upward, for the ground floor block work of 13 coach, you need 3,800 blocks, 50 bags of cement, and 1 trip of sand, which amounts to 4.6 million naira for the block work, covering both materials and labor, raising the building walls up to roof level. For the pillar and lintel casting, you will need 120 lengths of iron rods, 10 bags of cement, and half a trip of sand, bringing the total materials and labor to 1 million for the pillar and lintel casting. This stage reinforces the structure, providing the needed support for the roof. For the concrete fissure, also known as parapet, you need 2.5 million naira. For the roofing, you need 350 square meters of roofing sheet, 385 pieces of 2x2, 200 pieces of 2x4, and 24 pieces of 3x4, bringing the total cost of the roofing to 4.5 million, inclusive of installation. At this stage, the building is fully covered and protected from weather elements. From foundation up to roofing, the total cost is 18 million naira. Then, for the plastering, you need 110 bags of cement, 2 trips of sand, which comes up to a total cost of 2.4 million for the plastering, covering both materials and workmanship. This gives the building a smooth finish and prepares it for final works. For the doors, you need 2.4 million for 2 entrance doors, 8 units of 3-feet doors, and 4 units of 2-feet doors, including installation. For the windows, you need 2.2 million for 14 windows, including installation. For the electrical installation, full conduit, you need 2.6 million, covering all materials and workmanship for wiring, fittings, and electrical distribution. For the plumbing works, you need 2 million, covering pipes, fittings, fixtures, and workmanship. For the POP ceiling, you will need 56 bags of POP cement, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.2 million for the POP ceiling. For the wall screeding, you will need 32 buckets of screeding paint, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.2 million for the wall screeding. For the matte painting, you will need 7 drums of primer and 7 drums of matte paint for both interior and exterior surface, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.2 million for painting. For the tiling, you will need 90 cartons of wall tiles and 110 cartons of 60 by 60 floor tiles, including workmanship. This amounts to 3 million for tiling. The total cost for just the building comes to 37 million. This cost does not include septic and soakaway pit, water tank stand, external wall flooring, and engineering supervision fees. Note, price differs depending on your taste of finishing, size of the building, site location, and current market prices. You don't need to have all the money before you start. Start with what you have and build small. Remember, Inflation waits for no one. The earlier you start, the better. Contact 070-64-234-077 today to begin your building project now. And also, to get your architectural design, MEP, building estimate and structural drawings designed to match your taste, styles, and standards. How much does it cost to build a 3-bedroom bungalow in Nigeria?